Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Castor Maritime. And it's had quite a decline here in the last 2-3 weeks. And you can see what it's done here in the last month, $1.05, and just on its way down 46 cents. So pretty much a 50% haircut there. So here's kind of what it's done the last week, trading kind of flat, and then just kind of started slipping off and kind of running up, but we'll see what it continues to do here today. I'm still holding at 30 shares at 38 cents in this particular account, and it just hasn't been performing here lately. So again, this is Castor Maritime, ticker CTRM. If you don't know what this one is, I've covered it a couple times here. I'll link those in the description as well. But it's a shipping transportation services through its ownership of dry bulk vessels. Offers seaborne transportation services for dry bulk cargo, including iron ore, coal, and grain. And it's been around since 2017, $467 million market cap. And it's had quite a bit of volume here lately, so we'll see what it continues to do. And as you can see, the volume coming in here, so, and this is kind of what it's done here today, 46 cents, kind of a little bit of a run-up, so we'll see if this one's going to turn around. So the big news that has Castor Maritime sinking today, this is actually last week on the 5th, still kind of relevant to what it's doing today. At the time of writing, stocks are looking at 20% paper loss at the seaborne shipping, and that has sent the share spiraling downward. And again, this one is considered one of the meme stocks. I just did another video on a, it's not coming to mind right now, but it was talking about it being a meme stock, and also Sundial. We'll probably do a video on that one here later. So I think it's hovering right around $1. It's kind of came down also, but back to Castor Maritime, has become one of the meme stocks investors has piled into in a big way, similar to other high-profile stocks with significant speculative retail investor interest. CTRM stock has investors for a ride earlier this year. However, like many other stocks, Castor Maritime has been under pressure of late and has market reprices these speculative assets. Again, they're a big buyer of used shipping vessels of late, and what a time when shipping rates remain elevated. This move, coupled with some optimism around economic activity picking up as the global economy reopens, has been generally bullish for the story underpinning CTRM stock. Today, it would be raising, announced that today would be raising $125 million through issuing 192 million shares and 192 million worths at 65 cents each via a direct offering. This purchase price represented a 12% discount on Thursday's close. And so I know this had something to do with it, and maybe the other ship that got stuck in the canal had something to do with it as well. I hadn't looked at this one for a while, and saw some people talking about it, so I did a little bit of research on it, and thought I'd make a video about it and throw that out there, so as a lot of people are interested in this one. It appears the market is pricing in increased volatility in speculative small cap stocks. While Castor Maritime does look to have some attractive attributes, its size relative to its competitors puts the company in an unfavorable position when it comes to raising capital. Growth isn't free, especially in the capital-intensive sectors like maritime shipping. It appears investors are realizing this today. And so I'm going to continue holding this one. We'll see what it does here, but here's some other information, kind of what the chart looks like. The daily chart above shows the stock may also be forming a descending triangle from the stock. To confirm the bearish triangle pattern, the price would need to fall below the 40-cent level. The stock crossing below this level with consolidation would be ideal for bears. It may bring about a further lower move. Bullish traders would like to see the stock move cross above the line that connects the highs. A strong push above the line with a volume may indicate the trend of the stock is changing. This article goes over a snap as well, and Castor Maritime are trading above their respective 200-day moving average in the blue, indicating both stocks have bullish sentiment throughout the year, and this indicator may hold as support on the stock. So, and again, here is the blue line, and here's the descending triangle. You can see all the sell pumping in there, and then the buys. So it's been a real tug of war here, major tug of war with that volume. And some more buys going in there and selling off again. So it looks like some are buying in here at the end. So we'll have to wait and see what this one continues to do. So, and back to our Reddit, see if there's any recent information here. 3 days ago, hold, don't start panicking. I'm just going to continue holding this one. I'm still in the green on it, so I'd like to see it go back up again. At least look at it again in May and June in the summer months and see what it looks like then. So currently it's at 50 cents. And so it looks like the volume's up on it. 52-week low of 11, high of $1.95, so I'd like to see it get back up to $1. Like I said, we'll see what it does here in the summer months. Bearish soon, $1 per dozen. When is the next offering? Sell up, back to test 45 cents. So I haven't decided if this one continues to go down anymore, if I will continue to buy anymore or not. That's pretty bad. Weebulls just get trapped again. One friendly advice to shorties: the more you dig is the worst time you smell will be for you. Oh, there's all kinds of fun pictures on here today. Amazing bounce today. Maybe we'll finally have the weak hands out once the offering closes. We moon. Offering closes, we moon. Wow. Another nasty picture. Back to reality. So, for the most part, everybody's still bullish on this one. I think everybody's continuing to hold it that I've talked to. Let's see if tip ranks will come up here. I'll plug it in and see what tip rank gives it. I forgot to put it in there. Since it's a penny stock, sometimes they don't really give too great of or any ratings on them, and take it for what it's worth. But it's always kind of nice to see what analysts, and yep, so no. That's it for Castor Maritime. I'm still at 38 cents, 30 shares, and continue to hold and see what it does. And I don't know, I haven't quite decided on this one yet, if I'll buy any more or not. If it goes back down to the 38 cents range, I might. Hopefully it doesn't go back that low, but you never know on this one, so it's volatile. But if you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments along with your cost basis, how many shares you have, and what your thoughts are on this one, if you're selling out of it, or if you think it's a POS, or what your thoughts are on it. That would be interesting to know as well. Again, this is J Money. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.